Installing the EzyJamb Classic Adjust. Confirm that all relevant sections, instructions, and hardware accessories are included with the packaged door jamb. Check opening dimensions, cross-referencing with size guidelines. Check EzyJamb sizing and details accommodate the opening. Check opening is level and square. Measure, mark, and cut out position for strike plate on the closing side of the opening. If installing Rock York concealed hinges, also create these cutouts now on the hinge side of the opening. Fit head joiner into hinge side style. Join the two sections of stile, allowing width clearance over the wall penetration. Fit the stile on the hinge side, making sure the jamb is level and as tight against the stud as possible. Join header sections together and fit joiner piece for the closing side stile. Fit header by slotting into joiner tabs. Check jambs are level before fixing. Fasten stile and header. Double screw at ends and beside hinge positions and screw every 8 inches or 200 millimeters up the stile, alternating from one side of the jamb to the other. Fit the closing side stile, ensuring that opening width between stiles remains consistent all the way up the jamb. Fix the closing side stile, as with the opening side. Verify all jambs are level and evenly spaced. Prepare hinges and hang door to test its correct fit in the opening. Given correct fit, remove the door with the jamb, now ready to be taped and mudded in. EzyJamb Flush Finish Door Frames.